And so let's take a look at the steps that we're going to follow when we convert a measurement. The first thing we're going to do is read the problem. The problem is going to tell us what our measurement is to begin with, and so we call that the known, or sometimes the given, and it's a number. And then it's going to ask us to convert it into another measurement, and that's going to be our unknown. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to look for the conversion factors that are going to be useful, okay? And so if we're converting from meters to kilometers, then a conversion factor that compares pounds and kilograms is really not going to be that useful, right? And the next step is going to be to take those conversion factors and line them up so that our known units cancel out. Canceling out is something that happens when you're working with fractions, and that's okay. Fractions are okay. You don't have to be scared of fractions. I'll help you out. And those known units are what we're trying to get to cancel out, and they cancel out when they're on top and on bottom. Top, whoops, I erased that M there. The top, I did it again. There we go, bottom, top and bottom, okay? So we're trying to get the known units to cancel out by putting them on top and bottom. And then we have to make sure that we write everything down so that we can keep track of what we're doing. The other benefit of writing everything down is that if you are making any kind of mistakes and I am trying to help you, I can see what you did so that we can fix it, okay? If I don't know what you did, it's really hard to help you fix it. Once you've written everything down, all we've done so far is writing things down. There's no problem with fractions if all you're doing is writing them down. Then we just multiply and divide, and multiplying and dividing is easy, right? You can use a calculator for that, and then you'll have your answer eventually, and you'll have to check it to make sure it makes sense. If you're trying to go from feet to miles and you have 600 feet, that's a lot less than a mile. Okay, miles are pretty big. And so if you get like 8 miles, you definitely got the wrong answer, right? So you might have done something incorrect with your math. So then we'll have to make sure we fix it. And then we need to have the unit on the answer.